Hello, class. We are going to go right to modal. I still want to call that, I want to combine them, but Moodle mobile. Boing. So let's go here. We're about to just apply what we've learned to a real world scenario so we can have more of a picture, I guess a real world picture of something that we may have done, in our lives. So let's go to STEM again. STEM Physics Term 2, 2016. Level 3 Experimental Activities. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and go down here. And I am going to work on a PVC experiment, and it's basically, and you'll see it when I download the video, but I'm basically rotating a PVC around. So we want to apply the same information to see if rotating a piece of PVC will generate a sine and a cosine wave. That's basically it. So I'm going to open this file. And this file is actually different from the other ones that we had. So you'll see, there I am. I'm going to share this file with Video Physics, just like we normally do. I'm going to go over and select on copy to Video Physics. And once this experiment is in, of course, we want to change this generic name by selecting on the I right here. And this is going to be called, let's just call it PVC. And I'm just going to say brass E. Brass E. So now we're just going to select on the experiment and go in. So the first thing we want to do is set our origin and scale. Now note what's happening. Let me just double click. You'll see, let me come back out. Let me play this video. You'll see that I'm rotating this experiment. So I'm going to choose to put my pivot point right here. All right. And I'm going to use this entire meter stick as my calibration rod. So let's do that. Just go all the way back to the beginning here. I'm going to move this up near my hand, and then I'm going to calibrate this video using the entire meter stick. Close enough is good. Well, I have 549 pixels. You may have something different. You may have more, you may have less. It's fine, as long as this pixel rod is covering this entire meter stick. And make sure you set your origin here. You're going to notice that as I play this, my hand is moving around that origin. So that's going to introduce a certain amount of error, okay? Wow, look how far up that my hand is from the origin. But let's just go back. So that's a lot of error, but good. So let's go to points. I'm going to go ahead and double click, and I want to start on, let's start right here. Now there are all sorts of error that's going to be introduced in here. It's going to be human error, systematic error, and random error. So I'm going to start with the middle center of this.